Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about ASP.NET application pool. If you have any doubts on ASP.NET, IAS, etc., please watch my previous videos in my channel. Okay, let's begin our today's session. What is application pool? Application pools are logical groupings of web applications that will execute in a common process, thereby allowing greater granularity of which programs are grouped together in a single process. For instance, if you wanted every web application to execute in a separate process, you simply create an application pool for each application. The application pool is the heart of a website. Application pool enable us to locate our web application for better security, reliability, and availability. The worker process serves as a process boundary that separates each application pool so that when a worker process or application is having an issue or recycles, other applications or worker process are not affected. What is web garden? Okay, an application pool with multiple worker process is called a web garden. Many worker process with the same application pool can sometimes provide better throughput performance and application response time. A web garden is a site configured to run within multiple processes on a single server. You can still have multiple servers configured in a web form, but the web garden reflects the configuration of a specific individual server. What is application pool identity? Okay, the identity of an application pool is the name of the service account under where the application pool's worker process runs, and it depends on the identity settings of the application pool. So there are four types of identities: local system, network service, local service, application pool identity. So what is local system? It is the part of administrators group on the web server. It is completely trusted account and has a very high privileges and can also access network resources. So what is network service? This is the restricted or limited service account that is generally used to run, and this account provides the most security against an attack that might try to take over the web server. What is local service? It is the same as network service and it does not access network resources. So what is application pool identity? That is starting with IAS 7. So application pools can be ran as the application pool identity account. This is a dedicated pseudo user account for the working process of an application pool and is the recommended pool identity. Okay, now we can see the practical implementation of IAS in ASP.NET. Okay, let's open Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio. Okay, opening here. Once you open your Visual Studio, create a new project, new website. We have already discussed about how to create website and all in our previous videos. If anyone have any doubts on that, please watch my previous videos. Okay. Okay, I'm creating a new website here. I'm going with an empty website. So I am saving this project to a new location. It is project app. This is the application name. Okay, test app. Okay, so my new website is created. So I am adding one web form over here. Okay, I'm adding new web form. Let I am naming it as home.spx. Okay, home.spx. Okay, here I am giving heading over here. Okay, welcome to. I'm giving it as welcome to my application. Okay, so that's done. So now we can check how we can host this application. Yes, okay. Okay, I'm opening IAS here. For opening IAS, you have to type INET MGR in your search box. Okay, then you can see Internet Information Services over here. Okay, from here you can open. Okay, now you can see the IAS page has been loaded. So if you click over here, you can see application pools here. Okay, under this you can see the sites also. So if you go here, if you click on the application pools, you can see there are number of application pools are there. Okay, in this this is the default application pool which contains one application. Okay, that is default website application. If you go to default application and you can view applications here. Okay, if you click on that, you can see which application hosted here. So here you can see default website has been hosted. Okay. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to add a new application pool over here. Okay, so for that you have to right click over here, then you will get an option. Add application pool. Okay, you have to click on that one. Once you click on that, it will ask you for entering a name. So yeah, you can give any name. So I am giving it as test app. Okay. Okay, now it is asking for which CLR version you want. So here 4.0, 2.0 are there. So I am taking it as I am selecting new version. Okay. So here you can see the pipeline mode also. So it will be integrated mode. Okay, select OK. Okay, once you select OK, the application pool has been created here. You can see the test app application pool created and the pipeline is integrated and CLR version is 4.0, and you can see there is no application residing in that application pool. Application number is 0. Okay, now you have to go to here and I'm going to add a new application here. I'm clicking on that one, right click and add application. You have to right click over the default website and click on add application, and it will ask you for alias name. So I'm giving it as my app. Okay, then it will ask you to select which application you want to select. So go to click here and you can select the application pool. I am selecting test app. Okay, that this is the one which we have created recently. So I am selected this one, test app. Now it is asking you for the physical path. So you have to give the physical path. Just browse over here. Then my application was residing at G drive. So I selected G drive under project. My application name is test app. Okay. Okay. So I am clicking on OK button. If you click on the OK button, the application will be added to your IAS. Okay. Now you can see my app is here. So if you click on the content view, you can see your website over here. Okay. So if you want to check that, just browse over here. Now you can see your page is loading here. Okay, welcome to my application. So this is a text I have given to my application and it is showing in our IAS. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. So if you want to verify which application pool is using from your C# code, you have to do what you have to do is you have to click on home.spx.cs page. In the page load you can write response.write response.write system dot security dot principal dot windows identity dot get current. Okay, current dot name. Okay. This will show you which application pool is using your application. Okay, now you have to save this application and let me check in IAS. Okay, so I'm just refreshing this one and okay, in the content view I am going to browse on here. Okay, let me check that one. Yeah, I click down the browse. Now we can see, now it is showing IAS app pool is test app. Okay, so test app is the app pool we have created recently. Okay, that has been shown in our browser. Okay, this is how you can add your application in your application pool. Okay, and if you open your task manager, if you open your task manager, then go to details, then you can check what are the app pools is running. Okay, so in the app pools, you can see w3wp .exe. This is the IIS worker process. Okay, these are the worker process running here. Okay, and also in IIS, if you go to your application pools, if you select advanced settings, you can see the application pool identity here. Okay, so this identity, application pool identity, you can give local service, local system, network service, application pool identity. By default, it will select application pool identity. Okay, and the number of worker process also you can increase. Here it is given as 1 by default. Okay, this concludes our today's session. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.